Hello friend, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss how to install Visual Basic inside Visual Studio 2019. So open the Google and here in search box write Visual Studio. Here you can see this is the Microsoft site. So you need to click this link. Now hereafter you can see this Visual Studio that comes for Windows and here this is for Mac and Mac. Now hereafter you can see three kind of Visual Studio. So first is community, professional, enterprise. So here you can if you want to free trial, then you can go enterprise and professional. Okay, so but you if you want to get free, here you can select community, so it will only have a limited option. So enterprise is the better, so let's click on enterprise 2019. So here thank you for downloading Visual Studio. So here let's click on the save file, start building app. So it's optional, let's click on close. Now hereafter enterprise, click on this enterprise option. Now here you can see Visual Studio installer, so preparing at this location. Now here after Visual Studio installer, let's click on continue. Here download it and install almost 10, getting everything ready. Now you can see Visual Studio installer, so getting things ready. Here install and available. So net must be connected and here developer news. So here you can see detect fast run with Xamarin on 20 August 21 August announcing TypeScript version 4. So here this that I'm using first time. So here you can see installing Visual Studio Enterprise 2019. Now I want to use Visual Basic inside Visual Studio. So here you can see here this option or .NET desktop development. So here you can see Visual Basic options and here VB option is true. So you can check this checkbox and here this is, so if you want then you can check this one also. Okay, so after doing this you need to click on this install button. Now here this is the Visual Studio Enterprise. So here this is the 40767 MB the file size, and here this is the progress 2 MB per second. So I think it will take only few second times to complete this all process, and here this I think 98% done. So it's all depend upon your net speed. If the net speed is the faster, it will take only few minute times to complete this all. So here download part that has been completed. Now it will do the installing packages. So so here it will take time, so I'm going to pause the video. Now here you can see this is the status, download 100% and installing 99%. So here this might take a while to finishing up this all. Visual Studio 2019 with Visual Basic is installed successfully. Click on this launch button and hereafter close this Visual Studio and sign in. You can sign in, three options: sign in, maybe later, and not now. So let's click on not now. So you can select dark blue extra light. So here click on start using Visual Studio. You can see Visual Studio 2019. So you can create open local folder. Let's click create a new project. So here that part, this will display recent project, and here create a new project, and there is no any recent project here. Now you can select the language, so going to select here Visual Basic. Okay, Visual Basic, and here you can create the Visual Basic with the console application, and this all. So it's all with Visual Basic. Now hereafter let's select console application, click on next. You can give the project name, location, and solution name. Click on create, and here you can see Visual Basic option are there. Now you can see this is the default code. If you want to increase the font, right here font. On the search box press enter, and hereafter it's busy, and here import system module sub main, and here console.writeline end sub and end module. So this is the basic program to print hello world. Now hereafter let's give the size 11. Now it's increase. Hereafter click on console app. We can see hello world program, it's displaying. So this is the way we can install Visual Basic inside Visual Studio 2019. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.